Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to measure a doll for sewing purposes. I've taken a large doll and laid her out here, and I'm going to show you how to do the neck circumference, neck to shoulder measurements. Here's collar to waist, the underarm to the waist, the sleeve inseam from the underarm to the wrist, the shoulder to wrist, the sleeve outseam. Here's the sleeve circumference. You want the widest part of the arm, the waist, the hip circumference, again the widest part of the hip, the pants inseam, the pants outseam, the leg circumference, again you want the widest part of the leg, the height not including the hair. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please tell your friends about my website where you can find free patterns for doll clothes like this dress. Goodbye.